If you're over 40 and want to tour in total comfort, without ever shifting gears, these 7 touring scooters might be your perfect ride. They're fast enough for the highway, comfortable enough for long rides, and easy on the knees. Let's count them down from number 7 to 1. Number 7, the 2025 Kimco XTown 300i. If you're a rider over 40 looking for a comfortable, capable, and value-packed touring scooter, the 2025 Kimco XTown 300i should definitely be on your radar. This scooter combines modern styling with practicality and is perfect for both daily commuting and longer weekend rides. The XTown 300i is powered by a 276 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine, offering a smooth and refined ride with just the right amount of torque to handle highways with confidence. It features a relaxed riding position with a spacious seat and a wide floorboard, great for riders who prioritize ergonomics. Plus, the large windshield and underseat storage add real-world touring convenience. The suspension setup is tuned for comfort, and the 12.5-liter fuel tank gives you solid range between stops, ideal for cruising out of town. And the best part? The 2025 Kimco XTown 300i comes in at an affordable starting price of around $5,299, making it a smart pick for seasoned riders who want value without sacrificing comfort or performance. It's a mature scooter for mature riders, no compromises. Number 6, the 2025 SYM Maxim TL508. When it comes to combining Maxi scooter power with touring comfort, the 2025 SYM Maxim TL508 delivers an impressive package. At its heart is a punchy 508 cubic centimeters twin-cylinder engine that produces around 45 horsepower, giving you serious performance for both urban traffic and open highways. Whether you're riding solo or with a passenger, the scooter offers smooth acceleration and a confident ride at high speeds. The Maxim TL508 features a motorcycle-style chassis with a center-mounted engine and a 50-50 weight distribution, which means better handling and stability in corners. Touring features? It's got them. A comfortable stepped seat, adjustable rear suspension, a tall windshield, and dual front disc brakes with ABS for safe stopping power. You also get a modern TFT display, keyless start, and plenty of underseat storage to carry your essentials for the road. For riders over 40 who want the feel of a touring motorcycle with the ease of a scooter, this is a top contender. The SYM Maxim TL508 is priced at approximately $8,999, making it a premium yet practical choice for serious scooter touring. It's a scooter that thinks it's a sport tourer, and that's exactly why mature riders love it. Number 5. The 2025 Yamaha XMaxx 300. If you're looking for a scooter that blends performance, comfort, and style, the 2025 Yamaha XMaxx 300 is a favorite among experienced riders, and for good reason. Powered by a 292 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled single-cylinder engine, the XMaxx 300 offers smooth power delivery, solid torque, and enough punch to handle freeway cruising without breaking a sweat. But what really makes this scooter shine for riders over 40 is the ergonomics. The upright riding position, supportive step seat, and wide handlebars create a ride that's both relaxed and confident. Yamaha has also packed in advanced features. A fully digital TFT display with smartphone connectivity, traction control, keyless ignition, and full LED lighting. It's tech-forward without being overwhelming. With 79 miles per gallon fuel efficiency and over 31 liters of underseat storage, the XMaxx 300 is practical for both urban use and weekend getaways. And with a starting price around $6,299, it offers incredible value for a premium mid-size touring scooter. The 2025 Yamaha XMaxx 300, reliable, refined, and ready for the long road ahead. Number 4, the 2025 Honda Forza 750. For riders over 40 who want big bike performance in a scooter package, the 2025 Honda Forza 750 delivers one of the most refined touring experiences on 2 wheels. Under the sleek bodywork lies a powerful 745 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, the same power plant found in Honda's NC 750 series, paired with a sophisticated dual-clutch transmission, giving you the choice between automatic ease or manual control via paddle shifters. The ride quality is buttery smooth with long travel suspension and a rigid frame designed for highway stability and urban agility. Whether you're commuting or crossing state lines, the Forza 750 handles it with grace. Creature comforts? Absolutely. You get full LED lighting, a 5-inch TFT display with smartphone integration, ride modes, ABS, traction control, and spacious underseat storage that fits a full-face helmet with room to spare. It's premium, it's practical, and it's built with mature riders in mind. Offering a blend of performance and comfort that's hard to beat. The 2025 Honda Forza 750 starts at around $12,399, placing it firmly in the high-end touring scooter category, but every dollar is well spent. This is the kind of scooter you grow into and never out of. Number 3. The 2025 BMW C400 GT. When it comes to premium comfort and German engineering, the 2025 BMW C400 GT stands tall among mid-size touring scooters. Designed with long-distance riders in mind, this scooter features a 350 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine that delivers smooth, responsive power ideal for urban traffic or highway cruising. But this is more than just a commuter. With its GT badge, the C400 GT offers elevated touring features, a tall adjustable windshield, plush seating, heated grips and seat, and excellent wind protection. The ergonomics are spot-on for riders over 40 looking to avoid fatigue on longer journeys. The scooter is equipped with BMW Motor Add connectivity, a full-color TFT display that syncs with your smartphone for navigation, calls, and music control all while riding. Safety is also a priority with standard ABS, traction control, and LED lighting to keep you visible and in control. The starting price is around $8,245, making it a smart investment for riders who want BMW quality without going full Maxi scooter. The BMW C400 GT proves that you don't need a big engine to have a big adventure, just the right scooter. Number 2. The 2025 Suzuki Bergman 400. The name Burgman has long been associated with comfort and luxury in the scooter world, and the 2025 Suzuki Bergman 400 continues that legacy with elegance. Powered by a 400 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine, the scooter delivers refined performance and reliable torque that's perfectly suited for city riding and long highway stretches alike. The ride quality is smooth and planted thanks to a stiff chassis and well-tuned suspension. And with its low center of gravity and wide seat, the Burgman 400 offers one of the most stable and confidence-inspiring rides in the class, something riders over 40 truly appreciate. Comfort is the name of the game here. You get a large, well-cushioned seat with lumbar support, generous floorboards, and ample legroom. Add in a tall windshield and 42 liters of underseat storage, and it's ready for serious touring. The Burgman also includes ABS, traction control, and Suzuki's Eco Drive indicator to help you ride efficiently. Priced at around $8,699, the 2025 Burgman 400 strikes a perfect balance between everyday practicality and long-distance comfort. It's not flashy. It's not loud. It's simply one of the most comfortable and capable scooters for grown-up riders who know exactly what they want. Number 1. The 2025 Yamaha TMax 560 TechMax. At the top of our list is the 2025 Yamaha TMax 560 TechMax, a scooter that redefines what touring on two wheels can feel like. With a 562 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, the TMax delivers strong, motorcycle-level performance wrapped in the comfort and convenience of a premium Maxi scooter. It's quick off the line, rock-solid at highway speeds, and surprisingly agile through the corners. But what truly sets the TechMax apart is its high-end touring features. You get a fully adjustable windscreen, heated grips and seat, cruise control, keyless ignition, and an advanced 7-inch full-color TFT display with smartphone connectivity and navigation. The chassis is sport-inspired, the suspension is plush yet precise, and the overall riding dynamics are refined for long-distance travel, especially for mature riders who demand more than just comfort. It also offers spacious underseat storage, excellent wind protection, and an unmistakable design that turns heads wherever you go. Of course, top-tier performance comes at a price. The 2025 Yamaha TMax TechMax starts at around $14,499. But for riders over 40 who want the best of both worlds, touring luxury and sporty performance, the TMax 560 TechMax is simply in a class of its own.